going to teach you guys how to earn $2,600 per day for completely free automatically, and this is an easy way to make some money online. Now guys, I do want to tell you that this method is completely insane, guys, and you can make a lot of money by doing this. No joke, you can make a lot of money, and this is definitely worth doing in 2020, guys. One of the best ways to make some money online. It's quick, it's pretty easy, it is easy to understand, and it's easy to do. But trust me, guys, you just want to follow along. Make sure that you follow along and stay to the end of this video so you can fully understand how to do this, because there's little tricks that I'm going to be showing you today on how to do this the right way, and different websites on how to do this amazing method. So just make sure that you follow along and stay to the end of this video. Alright, so what we're going to be talking about today is called Fiverr. So this is the website we're going to be talking about today, and don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly where to go on Fiverr.com. This website is a great freelancing website, and you know, I've personally used Fiverr before, and you know, I have made money with it, and I have hired people for my business by using Fiverr, right? But basically, guys, for the people that don't know, Fiverr is a freelancing website. You can become a freelancer on this platform. So basically what that means is that if you have a skill, you can charge people, you know, a lot of money, and they're willing to pay a lot of money just to obtain that skill for their business, or you know, different things like that, right? But anyway, Fiverr is one of the biggest freelancing platforms out there. It's the most talked about one, definitely, and they have loads of different things, graphics and designs. There's so many different things that you can get into that you don't need a degree for, and you can make a lot of money by doing this. This is definitely a great side hustle. Freelancing is definitely a great side hustle to get started in, and I definitely recommend it, guys. But anyway, there's digital marketing too. They have SEO, content marketing, video marketing, email marketing, you know, writing and translation. So they have different things right here, you know, video and animation, right? So they have loads of different things that you can do and that you can make a lot of money from, and just by doing this, right? But anyway, as you can see right here, Facebook, Google, Netflix, PayPal, the biggest companies in the world have used Fiverr before and talked about it, and you know, that literally says enough by itself, because these are literally the biggest companies in the world right now, and they're talking about Fiverr or used it before. So this is definitely a great and trusted platform, right? So as you can see right here, popular professional services. So they have logo design, WordPress, voiceover, so many different platforms with this. They have payment protection guaranteed. So yeah, so everything is guaranteed on here, and they have a 24/7 support team, so that's really cool too. So yeah, it's very simple and easy to understand. Here's a little quote from the founders, I believe. Being a small but growing brand, we have to definitely do a lot more with less. And when you want to create a business bigger than yourself, you're going to need help, and that's what Fiverr does, right? So that's what Fiverr is all about. It's all about helping to start a business, but you know, still big companies and big entrepreneurs that make, you know, 7 figures a year and beyond that are still using Fiverr to, you know, hire those people to do, you know, certain tasks in their business, right? So that's enough of you know, explaining what Fiverr is, but basically we're gonna go exactly to the method right now. So where you're going to want to go, guys, is click on video and animation and click on short video ads. Now make sure you actually sign up for Fiverr, but basically what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be talking about short video ads. Now short video ads is a great way to make some money online, because all we have to do is literally make ads for you know, different companies and different people. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in literally an easy way, and exactly what people are doing. So they're creating, you know, short and simple Facebook ads or Instagram ads, and a lot of this content, they're not even doing it from scratch, guys. So they're taking like different videos and clips, and they don't even have to edit them most of the time, and they're just putting like, you know, their logo, the company's logo on you know, on the video, and that's literally all they're doing, guys. No joke. Especially if you're doing that for e-commerce, a lot of people are doing this, and they're making a lot of money by doing this. These guys are making lots of money. Look at this. This guy has over 600 reviews, and he pays people $30 just to make you know, a video for them. And I guarantee you, he doesn't actually create the video himself. He just takes videos, well, not takes them, but he just uses different clips from different videos and combines them together for that ad, and then he may put a little text on there, but a lot of the videos already has, you know, text and stuff, and then he just puts the logo for that business just on the video, and then that's it. Literally, that's all they do, guys. And I'm going to show you different websites that you can do this on, but I'm going to show you how much money that you can earn. So people are earning like $50 right there, $75, $7,000 right here, guys, $2,000, you know, $3,000, right? So like I said, guys, this is a great way to start earning money, and this will really get your foot in the door for long-term business. I really want to explain this real quick, because with short video ads, you can learn how to create ads right, but also you can learn how to really run ads too later on down the line, and you can create your own business by doing this, right? So what is that called? It's basically called a social media marketing agency. You can create your own business around this and charge people just to get them customers, right? So you can charge a lot of people just to get them customers, and they're willing to pay top dollar just for you to get them leads and just customers, and that's completely insane, guys. So you can earn a lot of money by doing this. And there's people doing this all around the world, guys. But I just want you guys to think long term about this, because this is definitely a business that you can get into, and in the long term and in the long run, you can make thousands upon thousands of dollars per day, guys. No joke. And people are really doing this, guys. So if you don't believe me, do your own research, but this is really happening. But right now, we're just going to start at the beginning, right? We're just going to start off just creating, simple ads for different businesses, and then we can work our way up, build up our resume, and that's what we want to do on a platform called Fiverr. Now, I'm going to show you a different website that you can do this on and create short video ads and make a lot of money by doing this. Now, here is one of the websites right here. It's called Capwing, I believe. But basically, what this website is all about is literally, as you can see right here in this example, creating these little video ads and putting the text in there, and then that's literally it, guys. And you can do this with a picture ad. If you're doing it with a picture ad, it's even easier. But if you're doing this with a video ad, it's the same thing. It makes it super easy, and the colors really pop, and they just make it completely easy. And this platform is literally designed for creating different ads, and plenty of entrepreneurs use this for their e-commerce business to create different ads for it, and even I use it too. So I definitely recommend this platform. You can definitely make a lot of money by doing this, and plus this is completely free. So everything that I'm showing you today is completely free to do, and you can make a lot of money by doing this, right? So as you can see right here, you can use images, videos, GIFs, right? So basically, you can use a lot of different things, and you can start editing right now. And look, guys, you can even trim up your own video. You can put a thumbnail in. You can do a lot of different things, add audio, subtitles, right? So you can add different things for basically anything. And like I said, guys, you don't want to look at a blank template. Just look at different ads on Facebook or Instagram, and just search up different ads on Facebook for Shopify ads or something, and you'll get a couple good examples. Or you can go back to this page and just click on one of these videos and just look at them. So they have a bunch of example videos for you, and you can just look how drop shipping ads are really made, and just different ads like that, guys. So like I said, people are willing to pay top dollar just for this, and they're willing to pay a lot of money for this, guys. It's completely insane. Alright, so let's scroll down real quick. So as you can see right here, guys, you can easily upload, edit, and share files using this platform, guys, with your team or whatever. And yeah, it's definitely worth looking at. This platform is definitely worth looking at, and I definitely recommend it. So millions of creators, teams of all sizes. So as you can see right here, Google, Airbnb. So big companies right here, Pinterest. So different companies are using this platform, and the best thing about this platform is it doesn't literally take hours, guys. Like, so if you're using like a software called iMovie to edit videos or clips or pictures, which a lot of people don't use it for, but people usually use iMovie to create or edit like videos or something. But if you're using like a different software, this makes it really easy, right? Alright, so it even works on mobile or any computer, guys, so that's really cool too. So you can use this on the go, so you don't have to have a laptop. So I was getting plenty of questions about this before. Oh, do I need a laptop for this? What if I don't have a laptop? And this was different people from other videos on my channel. And here's the method right here that you don't even need a laptop at all to do this, guys. So you can just use your phone to make money online. You can literally edit different images, videos by using this app, or this website. And you can use a different app too. There's different apps in the Play Store that you can use for editing images too, but you can use those platforms, guys, and charge people $20 to $30, guys, and earn a lot of money by doing this. And you literally saw the proof right here. So like I said, this person has over 600 reviews, and that's literally just the reviews right there. So there's definitely lots of just more people using this person, right? But anyway, basically, you get the whole point. This is Capwing. You can also use this on Biteable. Biteable is another platform that you can create simple video ads for. Very simple stuff. It's a big company right here, so different companies, Cisco, Shopify, Microsoft use it, and there's a lot of entrepreneurs using this platform. You can view the templates. Let's click right there. But as you can see right here, all right, so never run out of, footage and animation. Start with fast and beautiful templates, and then you can share and download the video. And then there's other people just talking about how they used it. And then you can brand your project in a few clicks with your logo. So it's very simple and easy. They make it simple and easy for you to use this platform. Instant video templates right here. So they have different templates for ads, right? For YouTube, Instagram, so they have different templates for everything, and that you can use for different videos. Right here, funny pet video or whatever. So you guys get the whole point. You can also do this method on a website called People Per Hour. Like I said, you can sign up for different freelancing platforms like People Per Hour, Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com. So there's plenty of different freelancing platforms that you can do this method on, guys, and you can make a lot of money by doing this. And I definitely recommend that you do this method, because in the long run, you are really gonna thank yourself that you actually did it, right? And basically, guys, this is the end of the video.